Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today in this very important video, we're going to understand that what is parallel channel. So before dive into the topic, I would like to tell you that if you are new in this channel, you can explore our channel, and we were trying to give you the valid information just on the practical basis of whichever I have learned through these years. And if you will find that it is not something which I am exactly trying to tell you, then that could be my fault. I am apologize for that, and you can make your own decisions. You could have your own perceptions on the topic. That is completely valid, and that is completely okay, right? So let's dive into our topic, which is parallel channel. So parallel channel is something which we can use to identify and to highlight charts, highlight trend on the chart itself. So I am just taking an example of Bitcoin because it is obviously 24 into 7 open. So as you can see that it is also open right now. So how do I make this parallel channel worked out, right? So if you already watched our trend line video, so you will just simply select a trend line here, and you will just go to go and plot a trend line here, right? So if you want to make your trend line more accurately, then I would highly recommend you to move into a line chart, and then in your line chart you can adjust it like perfectly, right, like that. And you can again came into your candle chart, so that would be more accurate, right? So if you do not want to use this horizontal line, right, so you have to just came into this parallel channel sections, just click on it. Similarly, how will similarly the way you we draw the trend line, you have to just you know uh, drag it up, and I think you will not see it because it is currently on the dark mode. So that is exactly how you can put your channel like that. So if you want to see that like that, okay, so the price is actually moving in a upward directions. So you can see if the price is if the price could actually retrace from that parallel channel support level, then it could actually make a you it could actually hit the resistance level of the parallel channel, and then it could be actually moving into that channel as long as it wants, right? So you can expand it like that, and you can expand it like on the downside also. The most important thing is that it is also worked as a support and resistance kind of thing. This downline is work as a proper support level, if you really think about it, and if you can really make that used. And this upper line is worked as a resistance level for the market itself, right? So I think you got it. And if I would try to give you another example, then it would highly be that falling time. So let me just give it. So we're on 5 minute chart. So that is literally the movement is literally very choppy. And so you have to just simply click the here parallel channel and just be that, and just you have to move like that. Okay. So that is much likely a parallel channel, because if you see that the price is going to, and the price is trying to moving upward, but take a retracement, but couldn't break the parallel channel resistance level, and then price fall again. And when was the, and what was the price that price actually take the support level, the exact level when the previous the trend line works, the previous parallel channel actually works. So if you can expand it, it will also, you will see it will also work as a certain kind of level. Okay, so that is not most useful, I would say, but you can use it as the beginner phases of yourself, because if you are struggling to find the trend or the movement in the chart itself, so you can obviously use it. That is completely free, and you can use how many parallel channels you would like to make. So that's it for today. I think you get it. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment sections, and I will definitely try to answer your question. I will see you in the next video. Bye.